Hello friends, today's video is about how to app lock Facebook Messenger. Make sure to watch this video completely without skipping. So without any further delay, let's start the video. First of all, you'll need to open the Facebook Messenger app. Then you will need to access the three-dot menu. Following that, you must proceed to Settings and Privacy. Subsequently, you will need to enter the Settings and Privacy. Next, you'll find the App Lock option right here. You'll need to go into this setting. Then you must turn on the Unlock with Biometric feature. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for our next video. Thank you.